How to find best-selling products on Redbubble. Find low competition Redbubble trends. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you can find the best products to sell on Redbubble that has low competition but high in trends. So let's get started. For today's video, we will be using this website called podcs.com. It's a niche research trend for print-on-demand products that would allow us to see different products that are currently trending and see a lot of information about them. So what you're going to do is you're going to register over here. Registering into this platform over here is very easy and very simple. You could register with your Google and you will be able to access this section over here, as you can see. Now, this platform is not limited to Redbubble. You could use Amazon, Etsy, and other platforms out there for research as well. But as you can see here, you have the Redbubble tools. You have Redbubble trends, tag generator, and Redbubble rock over here. So we will check out all of these tools for today's video. So first things first, we're going to check out the Redbubble trends. When you click on start, you will be redirected once again to the trends sections where we can see the different products that are currently trending. As you can see here, we already have number one trending right now. It is Earthless. And you can see the rating is very high. You can see a lot of information over here. So we will explore each and every one of this. Now, it's not really the best selling, or rather the number one best selling, but you can see the amount of rating, the information, the lots of stuff. So let's explore. The first topic right now, top one, is Earthless. And the top three category, you could also see the top three categories over here, like the type of product that they have created with this topic. As you can see, 74% are t-shirts, 23% are stickers, and 1% are mousepad desk mask over here. These are the top three categories that are selling for this specific topic. As you can see here, also the competition is very low, which is very good because you will have a high chance of being part of those who are selling high. You can see how many products are being sold right now. There is 90 products for this specific topic. And you can see here also when you hover on this section over here, this button like, you can see the topic or like the appearance of the different products being sold right now, as you can see here. If you would like to see more information or if you would like to see the products closely, you can click on this arrow over here, a box with an arrow, and you will be redirected to the page of Redbubble that shows the specific item over here. Now, this seems to be a topic that is related to a game or something, because if it's related to a game or a movie, as you can see, it is related to a specific band. So you can't really use this. You can't use movies, games, or brand names because Redbubble has very strict copyright rules and infringement rules. So if you do those topics, you won't be able to earn money through them and your products would probably get taken down. So you can't really use those type of topics. So you're going to have to avoid those topics that are brand name, games, or movies, or even like different types of brands that are very famous. So you would need to steer clear away from that. And the next one on the list over here is called Capitola. Capitola is about a place. So I don't think this is going to be bad for you to create a design of. So you can create a design out of this. And you can see the different outputs created for this one. The competition is very low. The top three categories is stickers, 52, t-shirt is 20%, and poster is 4%. You can also see the operations, by the way, over here on the right side. And you can click here to get more information about the specific topic. So when you click that, you will be redirected to another page where you can see more information. We will check this out later on. So let's go back to our trending over here for now. Over here, you have dark and darker. You can see the different outputs over here. I think this is for a game, so you can't really make a design out of this because you will get some copyright effect. You have Cannonball Run. I think this is a good one. I think you can create a output over here, a design for this one. The top three category for this design is t-shirts, stickers, and mousepads and desk over here. 8% for mousepad, 56% for t-shirt, and 25% for your stickers. You also have Bada Bing. You can see the output over here. Bada Bing, I think you could create an output for this one. You could see the top tier category once again. And as you can see, there's also very high competition over here, so you can't really create output over here. Or I don't suggest that you create a design for this one, because as you can see, there's over 10,000 products being created right now. So I suggest that you do something else or use another topic, because you will have a very difficult time earning money because of the amount of people buying this type of product. Also organic or erotic blessing over here, national park, dancing bear, Barnaby Heimer, and you could check out the page too as well. There's also other results over here. You have Bloody Chill, early childhood education, eat cheese and sin, crayon eater, eat the rich orca and free eagles, and cat fire over here, cal fire, carboro, and all of those stuff. You can see a lot of information over here that would help you choose the specific product that you would like to sell in Redbubble, so that you could earn as much as possible. Now, we can click here to get more information. When you click on that, you will be able to see information about that specific type of trend or specific topic. We have here Daddy Chill, competition is low, and the product is 367. And over here, you can see the related tags. The related keywords are Daddy, Daddy Chill, Chill, Meme, Funny, TikTok, and Relax, and a lot more over here. As you can see also the popularity, the amount of products that is using this specific tag over here. And you could copy this tags as well. You could copy all, you could copy top 15, or you could use the keyword processor. You also have your name over here, the competitive products over here, shops competing. There are 86 types of products right now, and you can see the amount of products they are selling. For example, the shop name is Nations or Notion Nations, and they're selling 8 products that are having this specific topic or having this specific trend right now. You can also see over here the average price. You can see the average pricing for the different products over here. For art prints, you have $34. For baby one pieces, $24. The comforters are $135. And over here, you have travel mug, tote bags, t-shirts, and stickers over here. You can also see the popular color over here. You have black as the most popular, 58.18%. You have white, 25%. Then red, gray, heather gray, dark gray, and then charcoal header over here. You have all of this options over here. And these are the different information that you could find out. Now we could also check out the other feature or the other tool for Redbubble. For example, you have this tag generator. You can simply search for one tag, and let's say I would like to have a tag that is related to memes. Simply search memes and then search, and as you can see, it's going to generate you keywords that are related to the word memes. And as you can see here, you can also see the popularity of the tags. As you can see, you can simply select the one that you like. This one, for example, copy that, and do that. You can also copy all the tags over here, and you can simply click on the copy option over here, which would allow you to copy the specific keywords that you have selected, the specific tags, into your board, and you can simply paste it when you create a new product over here on Sell Your Art, so that you will be able to use the tags that you have selected over here. You could use and search other types of topics as well, and it will generate top keywords from the best-selling products on Redbubble, so that it will allow you to be able to find the best product that you could sell. And over here, there's another feature over here, the Redbubble rank. You could start this as well. Then we could check out this feature as well. And as you can see, you will be able to see the Redbubble rank over here. The top 5,000 products on Redbubble sorted by the best selling. As you can see, the street cat is the #1 top selling product right now. And you can see the different products available over here. And you can see the top product, and you could have like the idea of what you could do. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.